Okay, so we're down below the lot on Skyline Boulevard. The lot is up through that clearing there below the White House. You can see some existing retaining walls up there. So it's a little clearing just below those retaining walls. Skyline Boulevard is pretty wide, probably 20 feet at this point. The tricky part is if we aren't able to access the site from below, we would need to come up through this private driveway on the right and access the site from above. So we would come up here. It's about 20 feet wide at the mouth and then narrows down to about 10 or 11 feet at the narrow point here. And then right after you make this turn, you need to continue up around to the right. It opens up a little bit here at the intersection, but then it narrows back down to about 10 to 12 feet up here on the right. And then the drive continues to curve pretty gradually around to the right. As you head up the hill here, you can see there's curbs on both the left and the right. Now as we come up here, the lot is on the right. There is a little opening in the road here that's about 35 feet wide from the posts on the right to the retaining wall on the left is about 35 feet. And you can see the site here off to the right. So it's a pretty small clearing here. It's only about 40 feet by 40 feet wide. There's some existing retaining walls up to the left here. And it's super steep up here. There's probably about a 20-foot drop down to the flat section. And that's looking back down the road from where we came. Here's the parking area. There is a driveway off to the left here that leads to some other houses. And then this continues up and over the hill here, straight ahead. Then you have your $20 million house up on the hill. Isn't that nice?